Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and this is an episode of What to Eat Wednesday. In this video, you'll see everything I ate in the last 7 days on a ketogenic way of eating. Keep in mind, I am currently not tracking my macros, and I am just trying to stay keto through the holiday season, but I hope you get some great ideas from my video on meals that you could try for your own weight loss journey. So Halloween is a treat day for me, and this is kind of an example of a treat that I would do, that I do for a keto diet. So I have about 6 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, 2 ounces of cream cheese, and a tablespoon of cocoa powder. And then I've put in 3 squirts of the Great Value Stevia Erythritol Blend sweetener. And then I'm going to go ahead and whip this up into a delicious mousse. Here's the final product. I ended up putting a little orange vanilla Mio in it to give it a chocolate orange flavor, and I cut up 70 grams of strawberries. Doesn't that look like a delicious treat? I love it. Good Wednesday morning, everyone. It is Halloween, and I am having a special Halloween breakfast. So I have my typical 2 fried eggs for my backyard chickens and 40 grams of center cut bacon, but then I decided to do 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, and a special Halloween treat for me this morning. I made a little mousse out of heavy whipping cream, some cream cheese, a little stevia, and a little orange vanilla Mio, so it's kind of, and cocoa powder, so it's kind of like a chocolate orange. And then I have 70 grams of strawberries in here. And I will probably end up eating a protein bar later to make up for the protein, because I usually have a little bit more because I usually have yogurt. But since I was doing the mousse, I didn't want to do my yogurt this morning. So this is my fun Halloween treat breakfast. I am doing a high-fat day today, which is why I'm having the heavy whipping cream and cream cheese. Normally, I would not have that much fat in one meal. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. All right, here I am kicking Halloween's butt. This is my little treat basket for me. I have had a hard time with the Halloween candy. I'm just helping my kids sort it and trade it and smelling it. No, man. Plus their Chinese food they're eating down there. Man. So I had to come up in my room, and I'm going to have my little treat, and then I'm going to have a delicious dinner that Dave is making for me. So I feel not deprived at all, and I'm enjoying my sweet little treat. Thank goodness for these Smart Sweet gummy bears. They are fantastic. And my Halloween dinner, I am having 4 chicken legs with buffalo sauce and ranch, a little salad with ranch, and this is heavy whipping cream, sugar-free Jell-O, and a little bit of cottage cheese that we made up for like a little Jell-O salad. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. Right, everyone, it's Thursday. I'm here at Commonwealth School. I am obviously carrying my high-fat day into the next day, so I am not tracking again today, and I am just trying to keep my protein up and do the best that I can. So I have 40 grams of center-cut bacon, 2 fried eggs, 1 chicken leg, 2 strawberries, and this is the same dessert from yesterday, heavy whipping cream mixed with sugar-free Jell-O and cottage cheese, and that's going to be my first meal of the day. Hello everyone, it's Thursday, and I am having spaghetti squash with chicken breast and mozzarella cheese and Rao's marinara sauce. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. All right everyone, it's Friday, and this is my first meal of the day. It is my customary first meal. 2 eggs, 1 ounce of cheddar cheese fried in a pan, and 40 grams of center cut bacon. 1 cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with lemonade Mio water enhancer. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. Hey everyone, it's Friday night, and I am having spaghetti squash with 2 ounces of cheese and a half a cup of Rao's marinara. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Hello everyone, it is Saturday. I am here at a dance competition, and I just had Uber Eats deliver me these amazing looking wings for lunch. I'm super excited. There's 8 plain wings with a little barbecue sauce. I mean buffalo sauce. I am going to taste this because I think it looks like it might have sugar in it, but we'll see. And if not, if it does have sugar in it, then I just will eat them plain. But that is going to be my first meal of the day. All right, everyone, it's Saturday night, and I am having a sirloin steak, 8 ounces, and some asparagus. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. It's Sunday, and I'm having my typical breakfast. 2 fried eggs, 40 grams of center-cut bacon, 1 ounce of cheddar cheese fried in a pan, and 1 cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with lemonade Mio. That's going to be my first meal of the day. All right, everyone, it's Sunday night, and we are having a special treat. The family made dinner and a pumpkin, and Dave and I made a keto version for us that didn't have any rice. We could have used cauliflower rice, but we didn't think about it. But it's basically ground beef, heavy whipping cream, water chestnuts, a little onion, green beans, some bouillon. It's kind of like the hamburger gravy, and then we just put it in the pumpkin and baked it for an hour and a half. Put some cheese on top. Delicious. Hey everyone, it's Monday morning, and this is my first meal of the day. I have 2 fried eggs with a tablespoon of Hatch Valley salsa, 1 ounce of pizza cheese fried in a pan, 40 grams of center cut bacon, 1 cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with cherry blackberry Mio. I haven't tried this one before. I hate the color of it. It actually looks better here in video than it does in real life. In real life, it's kind of more brownish color. It's weird. And it's not my favorite flavor, but I wanted to try something different. So I did that. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. Hey everyone, it's Monday night, and I am having an 8-ounce sirloin steak, 1 cup of broccoli with 1.5 ounces of cheese blend, like a cheddar cheese blend cheese. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. Hello everyone, it's Tuesday. I'm having my typical breakfast. I'm having 1 ounce of mozzarella cheese fried in a pan, 44 grams of center cut bacon, 2 fried eggs with a tablespoon of Hatch Valley salsa, 1 cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with lemonade Mio. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. Happy Tuesday, everyone. I'm having taco salad for dinner. I'm having 4 tablespoons of light sour cream, 4 tablespoons of salsa, 8 ounces of ground beef to 93.7, and 2 ounces of shredded cheese over lettuce. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Well, there you have it. Everything I ate this week on a ketogenic way of eating. Don't forget to join us on Facebook for support and for more ideas on how you can start your own weight loss journey. Thank you for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you again soon.